Alright, thanks for joining us again today. We have a fun unboxing, one that I'm actually quite excited for. It's been a while since I've had a good filled box, and E-flite's producing a new box. This is the E-flite FieldMate Pro Electric Filled Box. We picked this up on Amazon, paid $75. Yeah, we really did. Plus $18 in shipping. Phil's Hobby was the group who we ordered from Amazon, fulfilled through Amazon. And yeah, it's been a while since I've had a good filled box. About 20 years ago I was into nitro planes. You have to have a good box. Carry your fuel, your pumps, your starters, your batteries. Boy, I tell you, and the more I get into the electric side of things, you know, being able to do maintenance on the runway, or should I say at the field, is a really nice luxury. So I splurged, and you know, I've been using these little black tubs, kind of full of various parts I need. But boy, organizing it all into one spot, that's pretty exciting. So that's where we are today. We're going to go ahead and unbox with our handy retractable knife, and holy crap. I'm fairly certain this is not a kit. Oh my gosh. Here's my new fill box. Oh my gosh. Wow, obviously some catastrophic damage. Yeah, actually it's interesting just even looking at this. I realize, you know, shipping damages happen, things like that, but there's not a single glue joint that's actually held together on this. In fact, entire components that were once glued have come undone. So I don't know what to say, actually. My impression is that this would not have survived even light use, hauling everything that I wanted to haul with it. You know, chargers and extra props, tools, screwdrivers, a little first aid kit even, you know. You never know when you're going to have an accident out on the, wow. Wow, I mean, this is really destroyed. Funny thing is, there's no damage at all on the packaging, so I'm going to chalk this up to manufacturing. Yeah, I mean, when I can pull pieces off, that's not good. So whatever the glue was that they used, or maybe they pre-finished it and that prevented the glue from bonding, yeah, it's broken down to component pieces, except for the areas where we have damage where it looks like it was impacted. So, initial thoughts, scale 0 to 10. I think I'm going to keep looking. I'm going to go ahead and return this and get my money back and keep looking for the right filled box for me. Honestly, I'm at the point where maybe I do myself and the community a favor and I design my own that we can take and use with a laser cutter and one of the various little services that are out there for having laser cut things delivered to you. So, a little disappointing for me, probably for you, the viewer, but there's my review of the new E-flite Pro Electric Filled Box. Yeah.